Hi everyone, welcome to the GPUStack Tech channel. In this video, we'll deploy GLM-5.2-FP8-DSpark with GPUStack. The test environment uses 8 H20-141G GPUs. I'll walk through the full deployment process and performance benchmarks. Before deploying the model, let's set up the GPUStack control plane first. Then, we'll add the GPU nodes to the GPUStack cluster for management. For the full installation guide, please refer to our previous GPUStack tutorial. We'll skip the detailed installation steps here. Once the installation is complete and the GPU nodes are connected, we can proceed to the next step. GPUStack supports a pluggable inference engine architecture. It allows users to customize inference backends or their versions, such as different vLLM, SGLang, or MIND versions, as well as other custom inference engine images. DSpark requires a newer vLLM image, specifically v0.25.0, to support speculative decoding with an external draft model. With GPUStack's pluggable vLLM backend, we only need to add a new image version. Go to the inference backend page from the left menu, find the vLLM card and click Edit. In version configuration, click Add version. Create a new version with version number 25. Fill in the image name as shown in the screenshot. Select CUDA as the framework and save the configuration. A new 25 customer version will then be available for selection. Step 2. Create a new deployment and select the model and backend. Return to the deployments page. Click Deploy Model in the top right corner. Choose Model Scope as the source. Then enter the repository ID ZPUAI GLM-5.2-FP8. Select vLLM as the backend and choose the previously added 25 custom version. Step 3. Configure the backend parameters. Under Advanced, enter the backend parameters one by one. Here we use an H20-141G setup as an example. Configure the parameters as shown on the right. Pay attention to the following key points. The download address for the draft model is shown here. Once the instance status changes to running, the deployment is complete. That's it for today's video. In the next episode, we'll dive into the model testing and performance results. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or reach out to us directly. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye!